Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I will show you how you could easily replace your old computer's hard disk by an SSD. So before you proceed with opening your computer, make sure that you have the appropriate screwdrivers. And this is very important so that you open your computer without problems. Also, an additional thing which you might want to do is that you search in YouTube for your computer series or your computer brand, how to open that specific computer. For example, your computer name is X Series 500. You want to go to YouTube and type how to open computer X Series 500, just to avoid breaking anything and to avoid destroying anything in the computer. Next step, we will just turn our computer. Make sure to try different sizes of those screwdrivers if you have the opportunity to have multiple, so that you use the appropriate one. Next step, we'll just open our screw. Now I will use this little plastic tool to pull up. If it doesn't open, don't force it. Just try to look exactly how to open it without forcing anything. Normally it should go smoothly with you. Now that we have opened our computer, we'll proceed with the second step. Just to understand, here for upgrading from a hard disk to an SSD, you will have two options, or let's say three options. The first option, you can leave your hard disk ready there, and you can put your SSD if you have an appropriate connector for it there. In my case, my computer can run on a classical hard disk, but also I can plug an M.2 SSD in it, and both they will work. And once I turn on my computer, I can choose if I want to boot from the hard disk or from the SSD. Some computers, they don't have this M.2 SSD, so you want to unplug the hard disk and to place the SSD, the second type, which you see in the picture, you want to plug it in the place of the hard disk. So we'll just plug our hard disk like this, and we'll replace it by the other SSD. I hope this video tutorial is helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or just send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.